Hi everyone. If you are into commercial cleaning business and are in dearth of clients as such, then this video is just the thing for you. So instead of knocking on all the doors in your city or local area, you should have this one cool thing. A website which is properly optimized and conversion friendly, and you should promote it the right way. Well, in case you don't have a website, we can help you in that case also and come up with a very decent conversion friendly website at a very affordable price. In this video, we're going to talk about a proven case study wherein we helped one of our clients into commercial cleaning business to get new clients through their website. So let's start with the ABC of what we did in terms of SEO for this client. Of course, the basic steps of SEO were taken care of, and we had to work on the architecture of the website to make it more conversion friendly. We had to update the content on the website based upon targeted keywords, and quite a few backlinks, and that too quality backlinks, had to be created along with some technical SEO updates like metas, title, etc. As any SEO process, diligent and consistent efforts in terms of creating content-based genuine backlinks has to be put, and that was the reason this client gained clientele online. The results are pretty evident. Organic search results improved drastically. Average organic search improved by 300+% in just 3 months doing diligent and consistent SEO. You can see also sustainable growth in clicks and impressions for this website. More relevant traffic led to consistent conversions. And all this was possible because we attained page 1 rankings for most of the targeted keywords for this client. We are ready to get started, and in case you are too, feel free to get in touch with us and we surely will be able to help. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.